Hello everyone, I am Shantanu Noskar. Welcome to my channel Cat Technology. Today I am going to show you how to scale any object in both axes. I have a drawing of a window, and that is maybe 4 feet by 4 feet. Just check the dimensions, 4 feet by 4 feet. Now, so this is right. Now if I want to use this window, okay, with a different dimensions like 5 feet by 4 feet window or 5 feet by 6 feet window, in that case, in general case, we cannot use this one. But if we able to edit this one, and if you change the dimensions from 4 feet to 4 feet by 4 feet to 5 feet by 4 feet, in that case we can use the same window, for different cases. So let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all, we need to block this one. So D enter, and just put the name like W2, then select object, select the object, then pick point. You can select any point, okay, as your pick point. Okay, do not tick mark this one, scale uniform. In that case, we don't able to scale the object in both cases. Okay, and before before you click OK, make sure that this option is selected. Okay. Now you can see this is a block. Now I enter the insert. Okay, you can see just search here W2. So this is W2. Here the option is, here you can see scale 1 to, okay, so just tick mark here, okay, and put the dimensions here. So now you can see 4 feet. For example, I want to, okay, convert it to 4 feet, 5 feet by 4 feet. Okay, so in that case, I need to change 4 feet to 5 feet. So we have option 3 calculator. Yeah. So 4 feet means 48 inch. Okay, and 5 feet means 60 inch. Okay, so the scale factor will be 60 divided by 48, means target value by original value. So the scale factor is 1.25. Now the question is, okay, because I want to convert it, I want to convert 4 feet by 4 feet to 5 feet by 4 feet. In that case, the scale value in x-axis will be 1.25, okay, and y-axis 1. And so as we are okay, working in 2D plane, so that's why z will be no change for z. So just click the window. So you can see, now check the dimensions from this point to this point, so this is 5 feet, from this point. So similarly, you can convert any drawing, okay, to any dimensions.